Hey guys, just gonna make a quick little video here on how you can make a plow for your lawn tractor. I used this all last winter to plow my driveway and it worked well with no problems. I don't really have a big driveway, but it does the job. You don't need a welder to make this work. I just bolted it all together. It's made of an old dolly and an old road sign that I just cut in half and doubled it up. It's the one piece that was just a bit too flimsy and it would always bend. But you can do it, like I said, this is all just basic materials. It's pretty easy to make. It only took about 20 minutes. Well, it's April 9th, 2019 here in Canada, and guess what? We got more snow. Let's try out the plow for the tractor.